Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with an update in this Google Sheet automation. So I think I missed this part. Maybe I haven't tried on the Excel file. Okay, so you wanted to double click on the cell on the Excel sheet as you are doing. When you double click on the cell, it turns to the value, to the date, sorry, for the current date, like this. So that feature is not exactly available in the Google Sheet because double click trigger or function is not available in here. So what we need to do, you need to click in a cell and just press delete or anything else. Press any word. If you press Y and go to the next and anything, even a delete or a backspace will do the job. And once you want to clean it, you can click and select and more than one cell, then just press delete. But you will, if you will be deleting separately each cell, it will give you the date. So the double click operation is not exactly available basically in the Google Sheet. So this is how you can use it. Just modify the cell content, add a new row. Just modify the content of the cell or just press a delete and it will give you the date. So what I'll do, I'll press 4 in here, 3, any number, anything. You just need to modify the cell so that it can give you the date for that day only. So you can see this is how it's going to work. And once you want to clean it, you just need to click it and delete. Then you can use the delete row function and it will always delete the last row. So that is it. That is it from my side. Thank you.